friend is the King of all kings, and yet my friend walks beside me. My friend rules the earth and the sun, and yet my friend stops to guide me. My friend takes my hand just when all appears in vain, and makes it plain through joy or pain. He'll remain my friend. My friend tells me life is a road, and though it ends at the bending, my friend tells me then there's a road beyond this road that is unending.